Good evening, traders. I did not have the time today to do a longer video. So anyway, I decided to do another video because there were so many awesome trades after the fact of when I stopped. It was somewhere in here. So let me show you. So anyway, and I know a lot of you have noticed that I miss trades sometimes. I miss them, right? So let me show you that also. So we had a trade right here, lower low. We already showed you that one. It was before the news event. Okay. And there's the divergence here. And we did have another trade. Yeah, it's right from here to here. Oh, I gotta remove these lines now and start again here. Getting mixed up. So there was this entry right here. Okay, here and here. Let me put it back on now. Shit. Right there. So you would have got in right here. Okay. And your stop was at the swing low, 32 points. How much did it go up? Oh, it went up about 18 points. Okay. I wouldn't have done that trade because it was before the non-farm payroll spike. However, I would have done this trade though after the non-farm payroll spike, which was right here, from here to the bottom of the wick, right? And where did I see that? Am I seeing things? We gotta remove this again. Oh my god. No, don't want to delete the Asma. I'm sorry about this. Okay, where the hell is that trade now? It's right here, right? Yeah, it's right here. Right there, or there. And yeah, it goes up to here, so this one. Yeah, it's pointing up, meaning the price is going to go up, right? So we have, we have this low, and right off to the bottom of the wick, and right here, and we would have entered right here on the opening of this candle, which is after the non-farm payroll spike. I forgot to show you that one today. And then there's another one, okay, like this. Okay. I think I can draw it there. No, maybe not. Holy fuck, this is getting confusing. Okay, right there. We have a hidden divergence, right? Which is from here. Yeah. To way over here like this. See that? This one's going up. This one's going down. This one needs to... Ah, oh, come on. Work with me, baby. Okay. Right there. This one's going down. This one's going up. It's hidden divergence. We would have got in right here where the arrow is, right here. Our stop is at the swing low, 68 points. Did it go up 68 points? Yeah, it went up 75, 80 points up here to the top. Then we had this trade that I already showed you, right? Which is on the 5 minutes. It's from this high to this high. And this high. Again, I'm all holy fuck. Mozi motherfucker. I gotta remove that now. There's so many trades with the divergence, eh? Oh my goodness. I did this trade today. Of course, I was trading something else before that, and I missed my entry. My entry was right there. Right there when it should have been right here at the opening of this candle before it. So I was off by a few pips. I sold it a little bit lower. It still worked out, and I got out down here. Yeah, sold it there and got out somewhere down here. Anyway, okay. So there's that trade, see? There it is. Higher close, sell it, and way down it goes. So anyway, so then we came down, right? So let me show another trade, which is one of these. A higher close on this, I hate when it doesn't stick in the right place. Higher close, candle right here. The next one open right beside the 5, I think. I'm pretty sure. We don't know because this is in hindsight. So, you know, like when they start smashing the price down huge like that, it becomes more and more separated, the two moving averages. Okay? But anyway, so if you would have got short right there, you had the potential to make 137 points to the bottom. Not that you would have made that, just the potential. Okay? Then we had 1, 2, and 3. This one is closing right in the 5, right there. So that is a higher close, sell it, and down it goes. And there was like a whole bunch more of them. See them all? Like, do you really? I wouldn't like, look at how it's chopping. You wouldn't want to try to do a third one in here, but if you did, you probably would have made money like this one right here. You know, got in, higher close, sold it right there. Where is that now? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, right there. See? It went down 56 points. This is the NASDAQ. Like, this is a huge motherfucking move. Because what did they do up there at the top? Hold on. I had to get some water. That's why I wasn't showing you with my mouse. They made a new all-time high right there at the top. You see that? Yeah. And then they said, oh, we better smother them now. We let them buy it up, and now let's smother them. Smother them into oblivion. So they sold it off. Guess how much? Guess how much? From the top, right down here. Guess how much? How much? 424 points. It came back down because it's an all-time high there. And they can't let people think that they're going to keep going to the, to Jupiter, right? Or Mars. So they had to flush them all out, all the way down the fucking toilet right here. Flush, 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 flush. You see what I'm saying? Okay. Now let's move on here with this. So what do we have right here? Well, I still have it marked because I was looking at it earlier. We have low and lower lows right there. So that means, then we had a bullish candle closing up above. But you see at the time of when this occurred and happened, we got a big candle up. When it opened up, the candle right up here, this number 5 was up higher. There was probably space between the 5 and the 7 right here. So what did this turn into, ladies and gentlemen? Well, it turned into one of my soon to be, maybe it is now, famous hook downs. Here's the buy fake. Here's the close above. We wait 10 minutes here, and then it's smacked down. It closed down below the two moving averages, and that's actually here. So even if you took the trade right here, just below the wicks, okay, the 5 would be down, the price would be down. It would be perfect, perfecto, to sell it. There's the hook down. So if we sold it right there, our stop would be right there, 45 points. And how much did we go down to the bottom? 139 points, ladies and gentlemen. If we draw it to this low, 110 points. And then look what we have here. Look. See all the trades I missed? Well, it was after, right? I had to go somewhere earlier today, so I couldn't do my extra long video. So I'm covering it now plus other setups. Okay. So what did we have here? We had a higher close right there. Sell it on the opening of this one, and down it goes. Okay, it was a beautiful thing. Then what did we have? See, oh, it's a hook down, but not only is it hook down, look, let me show you. It was hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen. It was a hook down and hidden divergence on top of it. Okay? Which was right over here somewhere. Yeah, right here. This one's going up, this one's going down. It was an entry of hidden divergence and a hook down. So it would have been very safe to take a short right here, even though it's very close to the bottom, like 20 points away. And look at it go down. Went down 113 points from the entry just under these two little wicks here. Okay. Then we had this trade. And then what did we have down here, ladies and gentlemen? What did we have? What did we have? I have to take these lines off now. There's too many on there because there's too many freaking trades, man. I have to delete this because it'll just do some wonky, weird shit. Okay, right here. So we have a low, right, and a lower low. And we have this here going up like this. So what does that mean? It's bullish. It's easy to see bullish divergence. So we would have waited for the price and the candle to close above the two moving averages in here. So say we got in on a pullback right here. So we would have got in there. Our stop is always at the swing low, right? So our stop would have been 65 points. Did we get our 65 points? Oh yeah, it went up 95 points. And what do we have? What do we have? Oh, also, let me show you. Hold on. We have a lower close right here. Buy it, up it goes. And then what do we have right here? Oh, can it be? It can't be more divergence, can it? There's no way it can't be. But it is, Right there. Double fucking top, ladies and gentlemen. So you would have sold right there. But hold on, let me finish drawing this. I always seem to forget to draw everything. So you would have got in short. We're still just on the NASDAQ, ladies and gentlemen. You see how many trades that happened after the ideal time to trade? Look at it. It's insane. So you would have got in at right there. And our stop would have been right here, 60 points. Did it hit our 60 points? Yes, it did. You see how that one-to-one risk reward works so well? Oh, it's a beautiful thing. And then there's a double bottom right here, but it was too late to trade. It flatlined. It ended. They finally stopped buying and selling right here, and it flatlined. Okay? But there was a trade. Might work out on Sunday night. We just don't know. Right? Say somewhere over here, it's going to go up. Up, and up. And here is the divergence right there. Double bottom. Let me put the line on. Got to get everything right here. Right there. Ah, you bastard. It looked like it was going to draw it straight, and it's stuck up there. See? You little bastards. Come on, let me pick it up. Oh, you motherfucker. It's still not perfectly straight. I know, I can tell. See, it's not. See? There's the double bottom. There's the divergence. All that we need now is for it to come up into here, and it would be a buy. So if you did a buy like on Sunday night somewhere in here and everything looked right, well, it can go all the way back up again. Wow, why would it go all the way back up if they took it just all the way down? 400 points. Because that's how they catch you in the wrong mindset with your pants down and you're exposed, and then they fuck you. That's why. Anyway, see all those trades, man? All winners. All of them. All day long, Marianne. Gotta fucking love it. Gotta love it. Okay, let's move on now. Yeah. There's just so many beautiful trades here, setups that you guys can learn from. So I had to shoot this second video here because this is just a beautiful, it was a beautiful thing. The chart. Okay, let's look at the S and the P. What did it do after? Did it have any setups? Oh, fuck yeah, it did. The same setups, actually. See, they're following each other again. Naughty, naughty. Very, very naughty to follow each other like that. Okay. We have what I call double top, close enough, whatever. There it is. So you would have got in short. This was... How did I miss that trade? I don't know. But I'm getting it now. I'm covering it now, okay? Ladies and gents, I just gotta grab my mind, my brain cells and say, what am I doing right now? I need to do this. I'm sorry, man. So you would have sold it there. Your stop would have been up there. 1660. And it went down lots of, like 29 points. But let me just go back here. I got to ask you a couple questions. So when we sold up here from this divergence, okay, this one's going down. See, let me show you. See, that one's going down. This one's going up from mountain peak to mountain peak, okay? I got to ask you the question. When we sold here, did it come back up here to the tip of this wick and hit our stop? No, no it didn't. Then, right here, when we sold right in here below these wicks, our stop goes right there at the swing high. Not any higher, not any lower. Did it come to when we got in, when we sold in here, did the price come back up here and hit our stop? No, ladies and gentlemen, no. What about down here when we had our lower lows and higher low or whatever, or higher high on the indicator, and we got in here? I have to ask, did it come back and get our stop at the swing low right here at the tip of the wick here? No, it didn't. What about up here? We had a double top. Okay, here's the signal. We sold right here. Our stop would have been right there, not one tick higher or lower. I have to ask you the question again. When we sold right here, did the price come back here and hit your stop? No. Why the fuck is that? Oh my God. I just keep seeing it and keep seeing it. It's just like, this must be the holy grail, divergence. And I never created divergence. I just learned how to trade it on the charts. It's fucking insane, man. You guys got to trade this. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you, you got to learn this and do this. And you want to, be content, a content trader. This is what you got to do. This is what you got to do. Okay, let's move on now to the beautiful S and the P that they call the 500. Okay. So we already know we made, hold on. I just saw one of these. We got to do that one right here. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. Higher close right here, sell it, down it goes. See those, man? There's one there. Yeah, that's it right there. And then there's a hook down. Let me show you the hook down. Right there. And there's divergence. Remember, just like on the NASDAQ, same, like different market, but same movie we're watching here. Same picture we're looking at. You see what I'm saying? See, right here to right up here, let's say. Yeah, there's hidden divergence and a hook down. Okay, here is the divergence. So he would have sold right in here, just below the wick. See the same two little, you see that shit? Look at the two little wicks there. Remember I drew that over here on the NASDAQ? Look. See the two little wicks. And here's in the exact same spot. And I assure you at the exact same time. 1940? And let's look over here. 1940. You see it down at the bottom? You tell me it's random. I don't fucking think so. Excuse my language. It's not random, ladies and gentlemen. It is not. Okay, let's move on now. So we come down, we put in a low, and then a retracement. And that retracement actually is a higher close. Sell it on the opening of this candle, and down it goes. Look at how nice it went down. I love an all red candles, or a move with all blue candles up. It's just so beautiful. Just like a beautiful blonde lady with blue eyes. Oh yeah. Okay. So you would have got short here, and down it went. Yeah. And we have a low. This is after the time to trade. This is lunchtime starting right here, 12 o'clock, right here. Did a little, you know, ding, 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 barcode printing. But look what it did after that. It did beautiful things. Oh, yeah. I gotta talk a little lower now because it's 10 o'clock at night and I cannot disturb my neighbors above me and below me and fucking beside me and everywhere. Okay. Oh, hold on. See that? That's divergence, man. So we would have got long right in here. Our stop at the swing low, 14.5 points. And it went up 19 points. There you have it. And what do we have here? Just like the NASDAQ, we have a double top. See, if I draw it far away from the candles, it'll draw straight. But if you try and draw it near the fucking candles, it goes and sticks to the fucking candle like glue. The motherfucker. Anyway, so we would have got short right there in the opening of that candle. Our stop would have been 11 points. 11.25 points to be exact. And it went down 14 points. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio right there. Look how beautiful that is. Look at all these signals. Look at how I mark everything and point to everything and describe everything so you fully understand. This is it, man. This is the cat's meow. 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 This is it. This is the grail, man. This is the fucking grail. I'm telling you. At least I'm a firm believer that it is. You know, everybody has the freedom to think and believe what they want. But that's what I believe. I believe I have discovered, well, I was told, like I told you from my friend in Nassau, Bahamas, once you find divergence, you got it, right? And but my little added touches to it, like using the OSMA, like, oh, I want to show you something, and using my 2 moving averages, right? And that's not my idea. I got that from from the same guy who showed me and finally taught me how to see divergence before it occurs. So anyway, that's in my course if you guys ever want it. But anyway, what was I going to say? Oh, this is what I was going to show you. Let me show you something. This is the OSMA, okay? When you use the one on the platforms, you can only choose one color. It's all gray or blue, whatever color you choose. But this one is called the OSMA color, right? Now watch when I reset it. Now you see, hold on. Now you see how beautiful this is? All the same color, red for the below the zero line, blue for above the zero line, and how easy it is to see the divergence and spot it. And there's a reason why. When I first got this indicator, okay, this OSMA color, it was kind of hard to find the divergence, and I'll tell you why. Let me reset it. There, it's reset. You see that? Freaking lime green, green, red, maroon, all these fucking different colored colors. Look, see? See now? See this fucking green and red and green and lighter red and darker green? See? It's confusing. It's hard. It's much harder to find the divergence. But I added this touch. This is a real, this is like a piece of cherry pie that I'm giving you right now. Okay? I said, what if I made them all the same color? That's what I said to myself. Would it be much easier to see the divergence? That's what I kept saying to myself. So anyway, I did. I changed them. Changed the colors. That's right. It's orange, red. Orange, red. See, for bullish, above the zero line, blue. For below the zero line, orange, red. Okay? Click OK. See how much better it is? Oh, I have to make them. I have to make them thicker. Sorry, I have to do it. It takes time. Set up the indicator. Click OK. There, now it's back. You see how freaking easy it is to see all the hills and valleys when they're all the one color below the zero line and all one color above the zero line. The zero line is right here, ladies and gentlemen. It's right on the tops here and right on the bottoms of the bullish candles. And we had this one here, but I won't draw it. Okay? That was a real treat I just gave you to you guys for free, of course. Okay, let's look at the Dow. What did it do? Same design? Oh, no, no, no. Much rougher. Well, that's on the 15. Wow, 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 wow. Crazy. So this is the divergence right here off the bottom of the wick. Okay. Right there. You would have got long right here. And it went up 98 points. There's no way you could put your stop. Well, you could, but it'd be 134. Your stop would be like, you know, wider. Because there was a news event, man. Like, but still, you had the opportunity if you would have bought it right there. From there to there, you had the choice to take a profit. That's for sure. It was barcode printing right here. And then we had the next beautiful trade. Let me show you. It was right here to right here. We'll just put it a little higher. It was hidden divergence. And this, yeah, see? We'll just put it we'll put it at the bottom. Same thing right here, from here to here and here to here. One's going down, one's going up. What does that mean? Bullish divergence. Bullish hidden divergence. You would have got long right there. And up it went very quickly, 175 points to there. Your stop was at the swing low, 50 points. But I got to ask you, when you got in the trade right here, right? Did the price come back and hit your stop right here? No, it didn't. I'm sorry, I just had to throw that in there. Because that is truly a miracle. Truly a miracle in disguise. All these little things to this system, I'm telling you, it makes it ideal. It makes it unique. I think it makes it the best trading strategy ever. That's what I firmly believe in my mind. Okay? So anyway, it just... Oh, there's another one. Hold on. There's a high and higher high. And right here. So this here, see? It's lower. See? 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 See that? High, retracement, higher high. And right here, Oh, it's not drawn to the right thing. Right there. See? That's it. Put it a little bit lower. Let's just put it right there. See the divergence? This one's going down. This one's going up. And what happened with the price after that? It went up beautifully. Stop is right at the swing low, 48 pips, points. How much did it go up? 196. Or no, I was counting that for the wrong thing. You would have got short here. Jason, what are you doing? You're getting mixed up again. No, the sell trade was right here, ladies and gentlemen. Right on the opening of this candle with the arrow on top. Went down 81 points. And the stop up here was 82 points. There, you would have got your 1-to-1. And then it went into a fucking side. And then it went right, is what it did. Didn't go up, didn't go down, it just went right. However, we could classify this as another trade if you're really looking. Right here. From this blue doodah right here. Right down there. This one's going down, this one's going up. Would have sold right here. See, a lot to cover, eh? A lot to cover. Again, 2 videos a day. Okay, stop would be there, 57 points. And how much did it go down to here? 150 points. Now you see this? Put in a low, a retracement, and a lower low, right? Right? We did. So that's easy to see divergence, which is in my manual and my video course. Right here. Just like this. You would have got long right in there. And it went up 154 points. And your stop was right here, 77 points. Now I have to ask you. Sorry, I have to. When you got in the trade right here, and your stop was right here, not one tick lower than the bottom of that wick, the swing low, I have to ask you. When you got in here, did the price pull a U-turn and come and get you? Stop right here? No, it didn't. Instead, it went up where you wanted it to go. And over here, there's no divergence up here. There's no, it's just too wicked rapidly up and then back down again. Yeah, no. There's no trade there. I'm not going to try and mark one in there. But anyway, look at all the other beautiful trades. Let's look at the pound dollar now. 5 minutes. Did I miss this trade today? Maybe I did. No, there's no double top here because it's all red below. Oh, tricky to trade the pound today. That's on the 5 minute. Anyway, there's no trade here. No, there's no trade. Euro. What did it do? No, this is fucked up too. See, they fucked it right up. There's no double top. There's no hidden divergence. There's no nothing. And over here, just it flatlined. It didn't do anything. It just went right up and down a little bit. And the pound yen, what about it? Oh no, there's trades in the pound yen. Oh yeah. Let me show you. Got a double bottom right there. And right there. Remember what I told you about this little doodahs compared to this side? When it's screaming at you to buy it? Yeah, you remember. Right there, man. And it went up 40 points. This is the pound yen. Okay? And yeah, there was that trade. Here's the news. It messed the whole chart up. But I did manage to find one right here, and everything would have been clear sailing to the TP right from here. And then up here, what did we have? What's this? What is that? Let me show you. That's a double top if I ever did see one. Okay. right here, you would have got in. Okay, stop was right there, 13 pips. How far did it go down? There's 40 pips right there. There's 50. It went down good. And there's one of those buy fakes right there, hook downs. Oh, did I forgot to draw that? Yeah, I did. Right here, so right here. Okay, not drawing it perfect. But there's the slope down, there's the double top. It's pointing down. What does it mean? It means the price right here is going to go down. And that's exactly what it did right from there. You see, because I believe the market is not random, and I believe there's some guy named Al who's created this. They've created in the way for them to, you know, for it to work for them in their favor. But also, at the same time, it's created these divergence signals that I see all the time now, because it's like, holy geez, man, it's like every trade I show you on here, on this stream, on this channel, every divergence setup I show you, it works, and it doesn't go back to the stop. So they created their little owl. Let's just call it an owl. Let's call it Big Al. Okay, they created Big Al, and it's created something else for the little guy. Yeah, for the little guy. Okay. This is actually turning out to be a good video. Yeah. Please hit the like button. I didn't ask you today. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. It's all free to do that. And if you really, really want to show your support to this channel and to me, pick up a copy of the course, man. It's only 77 bucks. It's not like I'm charging 600 bucks like these other guys. I'm only charging 77 bucks. Everybody can afford it, 77 bucks. And I would really appreciate it, you know, the support. I really would. Okay. Right here, right down to here. It's divergence right there. Would have got long right in here. This currency moves very slow for the most part. So if you got in long here, the stop would be 16 pips, and it went up 17.7 pips. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio right there. Yeah. There's a whole bunch of other trades too. I can't stay here all night, but I'll just put the hook down on for you. There's the hook down right there. We had the buy fake, and then it closed up above the 2 moving averages, and then they smacked it back down. And if you would have sold in here just below that wick, that one little wick, okay, it went down like 15 pips. It never came back to your stop up here. And then came back and went down total of 25 pips down here to the bottom. That is for the hook down right here. Then there's right here is the divergence, low in the lower low, and the higher on the higher high on the OSMA. Okay. Yeah, so we would have got in here. I'm trying to talk low so my neighbors don't fucking freak out. I'm almost done here. Okay. So anyway, and that was that trade. It was a beautiful trade. Okay, and then the euro yen. Oh yeah, same kind of thing. Look at the EJ. Oh, I don't have to do that. The market's not open. See, we didn't have that same double bottom right here and then buy it and up it goes. Well, we could. It's level divergence. See how both valleys are equal. So to me, that's called level divergence. So it's still divergence right here. So you would have bought it in here and it went up 25 points. It's on the euro yen. Okay, so we only have 2 more to go and we're done. Oh, no, we're not finished this one yet, Jason. What are you talking about? I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm so sorry. So here's a high and a higher high. And here's the divergence. And this is pointing down, which means what? It means that the price is going to go down. And that's exactly what it did. Didn't it? You know how many times we see that? What's causing that? It's L. Big L's causing that. Yeah, went down 40 points to pips to the bottom. We have that same setup here. Let me get rid of that. Okay, yeah, right here. Look, low retracement, lower low. There she is. And right here like this. And we buy it. I wouldn't buy it at that time, but it is the trade setup. So if you bought it here, your stop was at the swing low, 10 pips. I don't know if we got 10. Oh my God, we just got it. 10 pips, 10.1. Do you see it? Yeah, we would have got it. Cool. So that is the EJ. And then now we'll look at gold. Where's gold? Oh, getting a cramp in my leg. I'll just look at oil first. Yeah, oil was very shitty today. It did this major drop here. There was an awesome trade from way up here in the UK session. Okay, on oil. It's like that. And you would have got short in there. How far did that sucker? Your stop was up here, 47 pips. Did the price come back up to your stop? No, no. Instead, it went all the freaking way down. 1,300 points. There was a trade here. Hold on. What the hell I was trying to draw here? I don't know. Something that was wrong. Trying to draw it to buy it. That's what I was. Yeah, that's right. Oh, that's right. I did this trade today. I freaking bought it here and they smacked it down and I got out with a loss. That's what that was. That's what I was drawing there. I remember now. See, I tell you about my losers. Not hiding nothing. Right there. See, it would be a buy. It wouldn't be a buy here. There's a reason. That's in my course. And I don't know if you would buy it here either. It's just too flat. So if you did buy it, it would be right there. Oh, I need to go to the washroom. Right here. And our stop would have been way down here, 33 points. Never went 33, it went 28. And then it went into a sideways shit show, as you can see. Oil sucked today. But man, was it good yesterday, I think. Oh yeah, we had a double high, sell, double bottom, buy. And then we had a high and a higher highs, and then a sell, and it worked. Yeah, it was good. It was good yesterday. Today it was shit. Gold, that's oil. Now let's look at gold. I don't like gold either. I don't like to trade it. It's not divergence friendly. It actually did give a trade right here. And it was successful. Okay, right there like that. See what it got in here like this. If you could hold through all of this craziness. See, it went up 240 points to the top. And there's the non-farm payroll. It was very crazy. 269 points to the top, 290. That's it for gold. That's it for the video. That's it for the show. So anyway, I want to thank you so much for watching my second video today. There was just so many good setups on the NASDAQ and the S&P, and I wanted to show you so I can teach you some more good stuff. Excuse me. Oh, I keep burping here. My throat's burning now. I ate some crazy Mexican fucking shit. I shouldn't eat that. Those, I don't know what they're called. Totino. I don't know what they're called. They got this orange gravy and chicken inside them, and they're rolled up in a soft corn tortilla kind of thing. I don't know. This got me all screwed up now. Okay. Anyway, so if you haven't hit the like button, please do, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I want to thank all my subscribers who recently subscribed lately. I really appreciate it. So that's it for the show. Have a good weekend. We'll see you on Monday. Good luck and good trading.